Well, we've given you that early heads up that more patchy fog going to be possible. Locally dense as we get into our Friday morning. Could drop visibilities below a quarter of a mile. And yes, it may lead to some school delays and travel trouble spots. Now, this is all going to occur as we get closer to 60 degrees. So still have a little bit to drop before we actually get that visibility to begin to fall. And that will be shortly after 2 a.m. And that fog will start to get really thick around 6 a.m. for many areas that do experience it. You want to pay close attention. That exclusive school delay hotspot map, one of those maps is just going to show you exactly where we have the delays, and if we get any closings, you'll be able to visually see that tomorrow morning starting at 4:30 a.m. with meteorologist Ryan Weekman, so make sure you check that out. And we do expect the most likely fog is going to be along and north of Route 6, along Route 24 into Fulton County, parts of Lucas County, and north of the state line up into Lenawee and Monroe County. If you're south and east of Toledo, you may skate through the morning with just a little bit of patchy fog, because the fog we're expecting is actually going to be due to the flow off of Lake Erie. So the biggest impact will be that dense fog into your Friday morning, and that visibility will start to drop after 2 a.m. and it may linger till about 10 a.m. before that fog does lift. So Friday will feature fog, then a gorgeous afternoon. Summer feeling weather into the weekend. The highs are going to be in the mid to upper 80s, and you've been looking forward to this. Yes, rain chances will be back as we get into early next week. We desperately need it. The new classification came in today with that drought monitor, and probably as you'd expect, we've now plunged deeper into severe drought across much of the Toledo metro, including several counties that are now registering severe drought conditions. It'll be late Sunday. That's our next decent chance of rain. Sunday evening into Sunday night. That will continue into Monday. This is really going to kick off a couple days, something we haven't seen in quite some time. Rain that's going to be with us Monday afternoon and into Monday evening. Should continue with a slow-moving system into Tuesday, and I expect all totaled, we may end up with over ½ inch to an inch of total rainfall. That's what you're going to see here in the hour-by-hour forecast. Many areas could come close to 3/4 of an inch, even up to an inch of total rainfall by Tuesday evening. So to break down your weekend forecast, we're going to have highs in the upper 80s on Friday. Slim chance of a late day shower Friday evening. 87 on Saturday, likely to be dry. Sundays when we get that next chance of rain into the evening, and we'll see rain chances into early next week. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. That'll take our highs back into the 70s, and we'll stay in the mid 70s to round out that 10-day forecast.